Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a section of a clip using DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, go ahead and create a new project, and this is most likely what you're going to see. This is the cut window or cut view, and this is where you're going to want to make most of your general timeline arrangements and clip cuts. So import some media into the project by dragging and dropping them into the media pool here in the top left. As you can see, I've already done so. And I'm just going to select the video clip that I want to work on and drag it into my timeline. So as you can see here, it's pretty long. And let's say this is, for example, a podcast or an interview, and I just want to get rid of something like technical issues or maybe some bloopers or dead air. What I'm going to want to do is find the start of where I want the cut to happen. And then on the left side of your screen, you're going to see a pair of scissors, and this is the split clip button. Go ahead and click on that, move the playhead over to where you want the cut to end, and go ahead and click on that button once again. So as you can see, a new section in the middle has been made. Go ahead and select that by left clicking it and then hit delete on your keyboard to remove it. So it does leave an empty space, but we can get rid of that by selecting that as well and pressing delete once again. And it automatically adjusts the rest of the timeline. So it's really that quick and that easy. You can also do the same from this view right here, but this time you're going to be using the blade edit mode and then just finding out where you want to make your cuts happen and then doing the same thing by clicking on it and pressing delete on your keyboard. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.